Ever pondered why an astounding 80% of autoimmune diseases occur in women? It's a question that's intrigued medical researchers for years, and the answers are as complex as they are enlightening. Autoimmune disorders, for those unfamiliar, are conditions where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own healthy cells. These diseases are as varied as they are prevalent, ranging from rheumatoid arthritis to lupus, and even multiple sclerosis. The shocking reality is that a staggering 80% of those suffering from these disorders are women. Why is this? Is it simply a quirk of biology, or are there deeper societal and environmental factors at play? The answer is likely a combination of all these aspects, creating a complex tapestry that we're only just beginning to understand. So buckle up as we delve deeper into this fascinating subject. Prepare yourself to unravel the mystery behind this baffling statistic. Did you know that women have a more robust immune response than men? Yes, it's true. When it comes to fending off pathogens, ladies often have the upper hand. This is largely due to biological factors, including hormonal influences, that make their immune responses stronger. For instance, the hormone estrogen, which is more prevalent in women, tends to boost immune activity. This heightened response helps to protect against infections, but it's a double-edged sword. The immune system's vigilance can sometimes go into overdrive, mistakenly attacking the body's own cells. This is the crux of autoimmune diseases. Furthermore, some researchers believe that women's immune systems have evolved to be more robust to ensure survival during childbirth, a time when the risk of infection is high. However, this evolutionary advantage can ironically lead to a higher risk of autoimmune disorders. So, it seems the strengths of the female immune system can paradoxically turn into a weakness. Quite a fascinating conundrum, isn't it? Could our society be unknowingly contributing to the prevalence of autoimmune diseases in women? An intriguing question, isn't it? Let's delve deeper. Society often places certain roles and expectations on women, which can lead to heightened levels of stress. This stress is not just psychological, but can manifest physically, potentially triggering autoimmune responses. Consider environmental exposures too. Women are often exposed to a myriad of chemicals and toxins in their day-to-day lives, from cosmetics to cleaning products. These substances can act as endocrine disruptors, interfering with hormone regulation and immune system function. Moreover, societal expectations of women often involve juggling multiple roles, from career woman to caregiver. This constant dance can create chronic stress, which is known to fuel inflammation and potentially spark autoimmune disorders. So, could societal factors like stress and environmental exposures be increasing the risk of autoimmune diseases in women? Indeed, our societies might be playing a more significant role in this issue than we care to admit. How much of a role does our genetic makeup play in the prevalence of these diseases? Now that's a question that takes us deep into the heart of our DNA. Genetics can significantly influence the likelihood of developing an autoimmune disease. Certain genetic traits can increase susceptibility to these conditions. These traits, nestled in the intricate strands of our DNA, can act like ticking time bombs, waiting for the right conditions to set them off. Interestingly, researchers have discovered that many of these susceptibility traits are more common in women. This genetic predisposition, combined with other factors we've discussed, contributes to the high prevalence of autoimmune diseases in the female population. So, while it's not the whole story, our genes do play a critical role in shaping our health landscape. They can make us more vulnerable to certain conditions, including autoimmune diseases. Genes, it seems, hold a significant piece of this complex puzzle. So, why are women more prone to autoimmune diseases? We've embarked on a journey to answer this question, uncovering the intricate interplay of factors that make women more susceptible to these conditions. We delved into the unique aspects of the female immune response, discovering how it's designed to protect not just the individual, but the potential for future life as well. This heightened immune sensitivity, while protective, can also predispose women to autoimmune disorders. We also explored the role of societal influences and environmental exposures, such as stress, which can trigger or exacerbate these diseases. Women, often bearing the brunt of societal pressures and expectations, are more likely to experience these triggers. Lastly, we unraveled the enigma of genetics. Certain genes are known to increase the risk of autoimmune diseases, and these can be more prevalent in women. Hopefully, understanding these factors can pave the way for better prevention and treatment strategies for these debilitating conditions.